been really excited to sit down with Amy to talk about how she built this NGO for Rwandan women from scratch. Women's empowerment isn't a talking point in Rwanda, it's the real deal. For many, it starts by learning marketable skills at the Women's Center. We are here at Nyamirambo, the Women's Center. Can you explain what that is for people who don't know?
Nyamirambo Women's Center is a local NGO. We started this group at the end of 2007.
Okay.
By women. It's a women organization.
You are gifting women choices, opportunities, and that's important because not everywhere do women have choices. You know, a lot of times it's, it's a mandate of, wherever they live, wherever they're impacted. What's your goal for the center?
Our plan now
Yeah.
is to have like a training center, a place where any women will feel free to come and learn different skills.
Right.
But now we really want also to include different workshops about women's rights, gender-based violence, and computer science,
Right.
and any other skills that those young girls from secondary school would also like to learn it. Because all those people who are coming to visit, everything made by these women, it's all bought by tourists who are coming to visit the center. And I can say we offer different activities for tourists who are coming. The walking tour of Nyamirambo, where they will learn the everyday life of people living in Nyamirambo.
Look at me trying to basket weave. Goodness gracious. How is it even possible that the lodging got even better? Thank you, Visit Rwanda. Coming from the park to the retreat is the move. Heaven, the retreat, knows that there is something to a name. This is some of the best food I've eaten in Rwanda so far, and I'm glad because their chef Smith is hooking me up with a cooking class before I leave. Smith,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we're at the retreat. I'm gonna be able to have an experience here.
Yeah.
And I'm interested in what we're gonna be cooking up. I'm following your lead on this.
Yes.
This is not my place.
What you're gonna be having today is gonna be one salad, which is a unique salad,
Okay.
and which is gonna be banana flower salad.
Okay.
You won't find it anywhere else because it's a signature of the heaven and retreat.
Okay.
And mostly you find it in heaven. Yes.
Okay, so which flavors here are local?
The flavor which is the locals, they are the one with the honey and the coriander roots, the corianders itself that we blend. Then we add a little bit of sugar then to blend it.
I love it.
So, are you ready to start now with
Yes.
our dressing, our salad?
Chef Smith, I'm totally following his lead here. Look, I travel, I don't really cook often. I know my talents. I make friends and date guys that can cook. This was a whole other type of Rwandan journey through flavors and taste buds. The crisp freshness of the ingredients and the power of the flavors made Heaven the Retreat and this class secure its spot as some of the best food I've had while in Rwanda.
So, are you ready to taste?
I'm proud of this. Yes, I am ready to taste.
So you can.
I'm just gonna dig in. It's gonna get messy really fast.
So most people, they don't think that banana flour salad, the banana flour by itself, it can produce something like this because most people in Africa, we Africans, we throw it.
And it could
for
also
us,
be
we decided,
filling.
and it's really nice and really tasty.
For those who don't know, I'm the founder of Nomadness Travel Tribe, a community of over 33,000 Black and Brown travelers from around the world. So whenever I can carve out time, it's important to me that I throw a bat signal out there in the group and link with my tribe members for a few. It was like a Northeast New York, New Jersey reunion with Sylvia, Veronica, and Alona. A number of them moved during COVID or just before that time frame out to Rwanda. Rwanda has a fashion community that is making international waves. One of those coveted design studios, especially for men, is the House of Tayo. You've seen their highly constructed, yet ready to wear, pieces on runways from the Basketball Africa League to Wakanda Forever premier red carpets.
It was started with Matthew, the owner, back in 2011 after completing his college school. He wanted to do something that would represent more of his culture, Rwanda, because he was in UK, so he came back in Rwanda. He wanted to have something that would represent like contemporary doing style with a brand.
Yeah. I got a tour, not just of the store, but also of their design studio where all the magic happens. True story. I found a gift for a friend in the store, but it needed to be adjusted in size. They took the piece, walked it to their studio, resized it, and hand-delivered it to my hotel 5 hours later. Their service and quality is superb.
With its lush green rolling hills that rivals any landscape I have ever seen, its focus on sustainability, tech, and community is undeniable. I've experienced hospitality unparalleled while here in Rwanda. From guerrilla trekking in the rainforest, to making banana wine with the elders, to supporting local entrepreneurs who maneuver and build from a space of community first. Rwanda has its eye on the future, and not just of its home, but of all of Africa. Be clear, the movement is happening. It's just time for the rest of the world to catch up, because it is definitely time to visit Rwanda.